Welcome back, guys. I haven't done one of these real short videos in a while, but a family member of mine mentioned, hey, there's a lot of warning labels on the back when she was watching the video about basics. So here's all the warning labels. This vessel must be vented while loading or unloading. Failure to do so will result in a ruptured or collapsed tank. Basically, pressure. You're pushing the product out or into the tank, the trailer. There has to be a place for air to go or come in or out, and the tank can collapse. And I'm going to put a video in the description for a place that manufactures these trailers and show you a tank sucking in upon itself. So that'll be that warning. Inside, basically, and I know it's dark in here, sorry, it's just basically, top one is about the handle, which direction you push. There's another one on the outside door, and then this warning is that you've got these two hydraulic lines, and then if those should rupture, hydraulic oil under pressure can cause serious injury. This one doesn't have it, but there's another one I know of on a couple of our other that says immediate medical attention is necessary if oil penetrates your skin through the hydraulic line. So this one doesn't have that warning. This is a similar warning to the loading or unloading. This is a pressure vessel. Never exceed the allowable working pressure. So it's a lot about the pressure inside and outside the tank. Don't overfill it. Check the valves. Make sure that they work. Got another warning here. Caution. This is for the people who clean the tanks at tank washes. Make sure you know what product was carried when you're washing. Hot surfaces. I mentioned before, product that we carry is between 80 and 150 degrees. This is warm to the touch right now. This product's about 100 degrees. The pump base plate gets warm. So this product's about 100 degrees. Some of the stuff that we carry, like I said, when it gets 150 degrees, there's a couple that we carry that's actually 160 degrees. That can get very, very warm. There's another one about temperatures. Don't exceed the maximum operating temperature. So we're well underneath that. This is just a label for this particular valve once again. We're unloading right now, so it's pushed outward. You push it all the way in, push. That's if you're loading the trailer. So if you are loading a product through the pump. There's a couple more to show you. I think everybody knows about those that you see on the back of semis. These are, if your product, I know I mentioned in that short video about the heat that goes in these tanks. There's another small ones down here. And it's basically the same. And it has to do with this valve right here and this pipe. Basically, what those are about are, if the product sets up, and just to give an example, last Wednesday I had a product that was about 140 degrees, and as soon as that product, you know, when I'm detaching and it drips out just onto the base of the cabinet, it turns into a waxy-like substance. Well, if it builds up that waxy-like substance within the port on the back of the trailer, enough of it can build a plug so that you can't pump the product off. Well, if the entire trailer doesn't get enough heat, what they have to do is they have to push steam through those coils that I mentioned where you can heat things up and heat the entire trailer, because the heat system that we have for the antifreeze will not warm up the product enough. There's just not enough heat in it to melt your entire product. So they can attach steam through the bottom there, and you'll have to take all the antifreeze out through the bottom of that and release that valve. I'm not going to do it, obviously, otherwise we'd drop about 3 gallons of antifreeze on the floor of this receiver. And we don't want to do that. but that's what those are for. So lots of warnings and labels and stuff that is kind of interesting on the back of the trailer. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll talk to you next time.